shaker. You should never sail without one. It's a shaker hose. All right. Uh-oh. Made it real tight. So, whoa, wait. 1 second there. So you take it and you shake it. Wait, you gotta get inside first. And now you see the fuel is coming down. No mess, no stress. The engine is overheating. I don't know if you can see that. It's overheating. My alternator belt is what's causing my engine to overheat. Premium goes. I've been sailing around with the wrong size alternator belt, so now I'm just trying all of these.
Yola, you say it for the camera. You must be
Olivia, you must be very brave to bring this boat alone.
Did you come across the Atlantic or the Pacific Ocean?
Pacific.
Pacific Ocean. Nice.
I have a lot of things to fix while I'm here on the dock in General. Everything is leaking, pumps have stopped working, and my engine is overheating. Reinstalling this whale pump. Everything on a boat is in a really tiny hole. What is happening down there, bro?
Bro, the stainless steel fittings which is all hidden underneath here is all leaking.
Alright.
Badly, seriously, you need to fix all this here.
What is it for? What are they the fittings for?
The fittings which I say is the major ones are on the side. If you go outside where the meter, there is one meter panel here. What kind of meter is outside here? There's a meter on the side on the wall. Gaby?
Yeah. It's coming down like a river from the wall and land on this
leak too.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh man.
What? What?
It's some fitting there, man. It's leaking.
Oh.
Yeah.
So what's happening?
The power fitting.
Yeah?
The screws all are leaking. It's not sealing properly. The bollard in here it's leaking. This what you call this thing here? The rope.
Yeah, the
pulley.
furling. It's for the furling line.
This is leaking. These whole screws are leaking over here.
Maybe this
And this thing, this extension here is leaking.
So what if you own this boat? What would you do?
If we own this boat, fix it and sell it. Yeah.
If you
Keep it.
if
Because
you
it's gonna give you more problems.
if you own this boat, what would you do?
Yeah, fix and sell it.
Is the fittings which you can see from the bottom, you can't get it from the top. So which means you have to really, and the cap rail bolt on the
Yeah?
kick cap rail
Yeah?
is leaking as well.
I figured.
Yeah. So it's a big maintenance job in there.
Did I make a mistake?
I really make a big mistake.
I did? What'd you say?
You can get wet inside in there.
Really wet.
Yeah,
it's-
can I shower?
Yeah, it's really coming badly. It's just coming, water is just coming in from the show power plug and the bolt and the skin fittings on top. It's just coming through.
I think I need a new boat. How many days do you think
I
this
think it will take you more than 2 to 3 days.
Yeah.
Yes, it's gonna take 2 to 3 days.
Like one.
just for that area?
Yes, it's this area here which is going to be starting from this meter panel from here right up to that corner that side. Is another thing that if we try to open that bolt, we might break that bolt.
Yeah.
This is the side wall, this is the back part. So the water is dripping in this area here, so it makes its way back here.
Juniper is falling apart. You guys, how do you both fit in there?
We can fit,
3 or 4
yeah, can fit here.
3 or 4?
Yeah, because we used to these things.
Like a bathtub.
Like a duck in the bath.
There's water leaking everywhere. I don't know what to do but laugh.
No, good time to see it.
What did he say?
You want to say a few words to the owner? Okay, said Nakaboso. Yeah, on the bathroom ceiling is all up, but yeah, if you come here and then you'll see. Okay. Said Boso Naka. Kitty's crying too.
What did you tell?
He said I'm crying because of you that the boat is leaking so badly.
What did you tell Kitty? You said you can take a shower?
Yeah, and he said, what? You can take shower? And I said, yeah, you can take shower. And he said, what?
Look at how wet the wood is.
Like just to
I'm devastated.
to shine the head of that.
If I pretend that I don't own this boat, it's really fun to pull the wet wood out.
Right. Take Gaby's video, right?
I got everybody's video.
Take Gaby's video and don't show it to the kids, eh?
Look at all that wet wood. What is that?
Which means that thing you said, Gaby with the lace here on the head, eh?
Like his bald head?
Bald head, right. Ulupori. See, you trying to learn all the bad stuff now, eh?
Show us your bald head.
No, ma'am.
So, all this wood where the prism was is soaking wet. Like, having this much water come into the boat is really depressing. How do you feel right now?
Well.
You feel bad for me?
It's okay. I feel better with the water, eh? Because we don't know where the water comes from, eh?
I know.
Yeah.
I'm gonna let these guys do their thing and head up the mast to fix my wind indicator. I think a bird might have set too hard on it and bent it.
Are you gonna get us high right now?
Yeah, you got it.
I think we're gonna all be like, woo! High from the smell.
Nako, Gaby?
Ano man?
Bula malea kay bitita lewa.
That was good. The wood is rotten in lots of places.
Ah?
Oi. All right. The third one, push in. Push, push.
It's all rotten. Rotten wood.
Ma'am.
Yeah.
All right.
Hey bro, how did it crack?
You know, this is the joint, bro. It's a joint from the hull and the deck.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's we can see from the gel coat.
Bro, is it
But
cracked like,
it's not only the gel coat, it's going through the fiberglass.
is it cracked like all down the boat?
Just for this loop and that loop. But for this, we can say because it's like a chick reel there, we can, like, if we remove them, we can see it. We can know. But just for this one and that one, we can see it's really cracked from the gel coat right to the fiberglass. So what I'm doing now, I just try to make
Fix it.
Yeah, just take it a little bit bigger, then fill it nicely and calm, so it can be stop raining from dripping, eh?
Yay!
Yeah.
Bola! Sototale! Guys, we're on our way to poker. This is the second poker tournament. I got 4th place last time. Lucy, I'm in. Get back, pretend you're back on the phone. This is the boat during construction. We're on like day 13 of construction here, and hopefully it's the last day. I'm putting the basil in the bigger pot. What do you call basil in Fijian?
Tomole.
Tomole.
Tomole. And what other thing, eh?
Is it full speed or a drop?
Full speed, then drop.
Gaby, we have to remove the ceiling.
You guys are cute. Juniper is a mess right now. Ravi is fixing the electronics. Look at Juniper. She's a total mess. I'm getting all these cleaned up and redone. Look how much corrosion there is. We took the bus bar out here and just brought the cables together. Don't let water get inside your boat. It'll cause you big problems. Fire, please. Ravi.
Hello. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look, there's just stuff everywhere. What does kuch kuch otae mean?
Which means from inside, something is happening when I look at you.
Okay, when I look at you, something is happening from inside. Kuch kuch hotahe. I think it's more dirty than that, no?
No, it's just the same.
Can we say kuch kuch kotahe tuki?
Whom did you say? Tuki? Whose name did you put Tuki?
Tooks.
Tooks, eh?